How to remove a golf grip with an air compressor full guide. Most people get this wrong by trying to pull the grip off manually, which can damage your club. The surprising truth is that an air compressor makes this job fast, clean, and easy. Start by gathering your tools: an air compressor with a nozzle, a small screwdriver or awl, and a golf club. First, insert the tip of the awl or screwdriver under the lip of the grip at the butt end. Be careful not to puncture the shaft or damage the grip. Next, connect your air compressor and insert the nozzle tip between the grip and shaft. Turn on the compressor gently. You'll notice air inflating the grip, creating a cushion that separates it from the shaft. Most people underestimate how quickly this works, but within seconds, the grip loosens completely. Once the grip is loose, slide it off while keeping the club steady. If it sticks, wiggle it gently while continuing to apply brief bursts of air. The air compressor prevents glue residue from sticking, making the process cleaner and safer. After removal, clean the shaft thoroughly to remove any leftover adhesive or debris. This prepares it for a new grip, ensuring proper alignment and longevity. In conclusion, removing a golf grip with an air compressor is simple, fast, and protects your clubs. By using air pressure to separate the grip from the shaft, you avoid damage and make regripping much easier. Follow these steps, and you'll have your clubs ready in no time.